Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating another massive win on XPL. Look at the charts. We're showing you the yesterday versus today picture right now, and the accuracy is unbelievable. We called the exact bullish breakout from that descending wedge pattern, and it is played out with precision. We're seeing a gain of 22% up, and according to our plan, TP3 for our spot challenge has been hit, and TP4 for our leverage trade is also in the bag. This is why we tell you to join the team. For those who don't know, XPL is the native token for Plasma, a Layer 1 blockchain purpose-built for stablecoin payments, making it a fundamentally exciting project. This trade shows that strong fundamentals combined with technical precision lead to huge profits. Did you take this one? Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at our trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.